Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Google account password on iPad. Easy fix step by step clearly. Open your iPad and unlock the device. Locate and tap on the Settings app. Scroll down and select Passwords and Accounts. Tap on Add Account if you don't see your Google account listed. If your Google account is listed, tap on it. Select Delete Account to remove it. Next, return to the main Settings menu. Scroll down and select Mail. Tap Accounts and then tap Add Account. Choose Google from the list of account options. You'll be directed to a sign-in page. Tap on Forgot Password, located beneath the password field. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity. Once verified, enter a new password for your Google account. Confirm the new password to ensure accuracy. After resetting, return to your iPad settings. Tap on Passwords and Accounts again. Select Add Account. Choose Google and enter your email address. Input your newly created password. Tap Next and allow the account to sync. Your Google account is now reset on your iPad. You can access your emails and other services seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.